Hey yo, what the fuck? Hey yo, so just go back on the show, back on live, it's day 3?
Day 3 of our show.
Okay. Wait, is this, I gotta check. I can't really
On this time? Oh, what? Oh, yeah, it is.
It's recording?
Yeah. And so, yeah, what's up, dog? You good today? And so, this fool, fucking left his oven on.
Oh, yeah,
Fucking
right.
put chicken and he fucking went to sleep. He fell asleep.
Oh, no!
He woke up the next morning, it's all burnt and shit.
I was online, too. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't go online. You know, something like this. I was online, right? My TV's on and my lights are. I put the chicken in the thing because I got my outlet drunk when I got home last night. I put the chicken in the oven. I was like, okay, I'm home. I was just kidding. No, I was like, getting something. And I looked at the oven, like, my chicken's all burnt.
This is why I don't drink.
No, but the thing is, I could have burned the house on the whole way. Hey, look at her face.
I look like fried poopballs. I've been sleeping for 3 days.
Fried football.
I look like fried poopballs at Whole Foods.
You face.
I have a doo-doo face. Still recording?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, it looks ugly.
It's okay, don't cry. Don't cry. Cry, baby, don't cry. Ooh, damn. I'm out.